Oh, hey guys, didn't see you there. It's Kyle, your favorite PR rep again, and I heard that you're interested in becoming our new vice president. That's fantastic. We need somebody with your leadership and drive to be able to take this club into the next 30 years. Now, as our vice president, you will be in charge of making sure the rest of the eBoard stays up to date on all of their different tasks and projects and that nothing is falling behind. You are also in charge of making sure our Monday meetings are planned. Not necessarily throwing together the PowerPoints, but making sure they're planned. You're also going to be responsible for the new Campus to Coast liaison position. Now, while details on this are still fuzzy, the gist of it will be you are our club's voice in the event. You will also be making sure that members are knowledgeable on the event and know that it is going on, as well as promoting stuff like enrollment and volunteering. Now, if that sounds like something you could do, go ahead and contact Skylar right here at this information. And as always, my name is Kyle, and I'll see you outside.